The following video is a FANUC ROBODRILL. It's an A-T14iFa, new 2010. Chris is going to run a brief video demonstration for us today.
All right, we'll start by just moving the axis around. We have to have the door closed because of the auto lock. All right, we'll start with the x-axis. Move back and forth. Nice and quiet. Our Y. Get our X, or Z rather. And we're going to go ahead and do a spindle test first, and then we'll end with the tool change. All right. I'm going to start off at 1,000 RPM. There we go, 1,000 RPM. That's 3,000 RPM. That's 6,000 RPM. That's 8,000 RPM. And that is 10,000 RPM for this spindle.
10,000 RPM.
All right, let's do a couple quick tool changes.
Perfect. Again, the following video is a FANUC ROBODRILL AT14iFa, new 2010.